Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to see another way to speed up your rendering process. Let's quickly open up Vegas. Now, go to the Options tab on the top left corner and select Preference. Go to the Video tab, and make sure your GPU acceleration of video processing option is set according to your system GPU. Click Apply. And then, go to Deprecated Features. Make sure, Allow Legacy GPU Rendering option is enabled, and hit Apply. Now, restart your Vegas to make sure everything is set. Let's quickly check to see if everything is good to go. Now, let's do some simple editing to see if the setting that we applied takes effect, and if you find this tutorial a bit fast, just pause and rewind to the part you miss. Now, we have our editing, let's go to the rendering option. For the rendering option, we'll be going to use Magic AVC format encoder, and the template is going to be NVIDIA NVENC encoder. Choose any template that you want, but for this tutorial, I'll be going to use Internet UHD 2160p. And then, click on Customize Template. In here, change your template name to anything you want, but for this tutorial, we'll be going to type as 2K NVIDIA NVENC. Now, leave all the option as default setting, but make sure that encode mode is set to NV encoder. Then, click Save Template, and hit OK. Now, let's open up Task Manager to see if the GPU working as expected. Let's try to export this project. As you can see, the GPU is working as expected. Please note that, your GPU is only helping your CPU to export the video, but all the calculation will be taken care by your CPU. And that's how you can speed up your rendering process. Hope this helps you, and thanks for watching.